Our biggest challenge today is with technicians. There are not enough qualified people in our industry, both service advisors and technicians. And the reason why is because you cannot make enough money. We're starting guys out at $15, $18 an hour. I can go to work at McDonald's and make 20 in Ogden, Utah. I mean, why would I buy tools? Why would I get my, hurt my ankles and my hands and my knuckles and all of that in this industry? We need a major kick in the butt here. And so I want half of that $20 an hour to go straight to techs. Every tech just gets a $10 raise. And so now we have people coming into our industry making $60,000, $70,000 to start while they're training, and we can afford it because of this increase. And we also have technicians that can make $140,000, $150,000 because they're really good at what they do. And that's where we need to be to attract people, make this interesting to new people coming in. We cannot keep hiring people at $15 an hour and making them sweep our floors who want to be technicians, because we're chasing them away. And the more people you chase away, the less people there are for the industry, period.
Yeah. Well, you're doing that, we're not investing in your business.
I agree. We need to attract the youth into our industry. I just attended a career day event yesterday with young students from the high schools, and they were surprised at how much, what you can make in the automotive industry. And we really need to raise that. Like you said, we need to raise that rate so that when they come into the industry, they are making the 60,000, 70,000, and it grows from there. But also because we're seeing more and more like signing bonuses. There's such a shortage that if you come work for us, here's a $5,000, $10,000 signing bonus. And, the independents, the small shops, we can't afford to, say, oh, here's a signing bonus of $10,000, come work for me. But if we want to attract the qualified, skilled labor, we need to pay more.
There's a proper way to do that, by the way. It's an advance on pay, not a bonus. And so that way it still has some teeth, and I don't lose it if the guy goes away. And you can afford a $10,000 advance on pay if you are charging correctly and running a business that does, that is productive and has margin. And so as an industry, we have to take this up 3 notches, or we're going to lose a lot of shops, and it's going to hurt all of us in the long run.